Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at IAA OKC this time. This is actually Randy's fishing hole. He's back there bidding on some cars. He's kind of changing things around, so you want to go check out his channel. He's giving away cars. Yeah, he's going to be nice and give away cars, so go subscribe to him very, very quickly. We are going to talk about junkers. No, we're going to talk about this. No, we're going to talk about the blue Ram truck. It's first on our list for today. Let's see what she's got. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? All right, it looks like snow. Come on, car, you're floored. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Here she is in all of her stunning blue glory right here. 1998 Dodge Ram 1500 V8 Magnum. Randy says this would be great for my channel. He says people love these trucks. I spent a summer in a truck like this, but it was red.
The research is deadly, and the laboratory is nature itself.
That was when I was working on, I guess I can talk about it, the movie Twister. Remember Twister with Bill Paxton and Helen Hunt? Well, I was hired to be Bill Paxton's stand-in and photo double. Surprise you with that.
No,
and
that's
talk
okay.
about
You got to tell your viewers we worked together, and you doubled me, and I think.
And you never looked better.
I never looked better. You look great in those long shots.
I even photo doubled Helen one time. That's a different story for a different day. Yeah, even though Bill Paxton was probably 2 or 3 inches taller than me, they thought we looked enough alike that I could imitate him. So they dyed my hair and they gave me an apple box to stand on. Everywhere we would go, I had to carry this stupid apple box. It's a little bitty crate like this, and we would stand there and they would aim the cameras and do the lighting and everything, and then they would bring in the A-team, Helen and Bill, and they would do their scenes. But I got to drive the trucks, and I got to be a police officer, and I got to be a homeless guy, and another character, and all of those characters ended up on the cutting room floor. I never made it in the movie. That's the story of my life. Anyway, this is a nice looking truck. 1500 extended cab with a big old chunk taken out. Right there. Yeah, look at that. Look at the interior though, these colors. This goes back almost to the 70s, I would say. Look at all the colors inside here. Yeah, these, when they first came out, we used this in the movie Twister, and nobody had seen it. And we were shooting in a couple of towns in Oklahoma, and then we went up to Iowa and did some scenes there, and everybody just came because they wanted to see the truck. It looked different. It was something new back in the day. I think Twister was 96, I think is when we shot that. I don't know. But everybody wanted to see the truck, and so the movie had probably 5 or 6 of them, all red, all just alike, and so I ended up driving these things in the middle of nowhere, out in the cornfields. Excuse me. Doing what I had to do was a stand-in and photo double, and just kind of like a gopher. I did what they asked me to. Yeah, it was fun. This one looks like a tornado's been through on the inside. This is a mess. This is a hot mess right here. This is duct tape. We've got duct tape holding the headliner up. The dash. Holy moly, we got a hole in the dash. A couple of holes right there. She is all scratched up. I don't know if she's going to start. You know, I'm looking for something to pull with, and I'm not very picky. I'm getting less and less picky as we continue. What is that? We're missing a piece of the trim right here, but she's not going to do anything, I don't think. There's no power. There's no power at all, which means we're going to have to give it a start real quick just to see what she's like. You think this is a good truck?
Oh, yes.
He likes these.
Yes, I love these.
Yeah.
I love these.
Okay.
Normally the dashboard is completely destroyed.
Yeah,
You still
it
have
is.
most of yours.
Well, there's a hole right here.
Yeah, normally the whole thing is a hole.
Okay.
There's no dash left.
See? It's a mess.
Oh, these are beautiful.
Now, I was telling everybody I spent a summer in these for that Twister movie, driving that red one all over the place.
You drove the red one?
Yeah.
The one that Bill Gates was in.
Bill Paxton.
Right.
Bill Gates. Yeah. Yeah. I did. I was him in some of the scenes. You can't tell. I was Helen Hunt one time, too. They gave me boobs and her white thing, and I put on a wig. Yeah. back in the day.
You're lying.
I'm not. I'm totally
You're
serious.
You
But
had boobs.
they were
You had
far
boobs.
enough away. They were far enough away you couldn't tell.
Were you the stunt driver?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That is great.
Yeah, this was Jan de Bont was the director. Then they got rid of him and they brought in another guy to be the director. Anyway, let's see if there has happened to be any life left in this old girl. Yep, we have a jump pack. I don't even know if she's got, I know she's got a tow hitch. Something, there's got to be something back here. This is the Sport with a tow hitch and an extra tire and a steering wheel cover in the back and a broken serpentine belt. Is the belt still good on this? Yeah. Okay. Let's just see what happens here. We're going to get her connected and see if there's any life left. Once again, I want to say thanks to Randy. He gave me this NOCO boost, and I love it. I have a little bitty baby one, but this one is a big mama.
This one will jump everything you want to jump with.
It has, and even I used it in Tulsa, and I started several cars. She's back at, she's breathing now, and it still was fully charged when I was done. She did great.
I'm gonna throw a guess out that the engine knocks.
You think so? Okay. Let's find out. 3, 2, 1.
Or locked up?
Or locked. I mean, stuff is on. I got power. I'm gonna click it. Yeah, she's locked.
Yeah, that's locked.
She's all locked up. And Randy said these were good trucks. How many miles are on this thing? I don't even know. 132,000 miles. 1998 Dodge Ram 1500. Randy's checking oil and everything else. Anyway, this car is too far gone. But it was fun telling a story. Let's be charitable. Yeah, this is a car that was donated for a good cause. 2000, what I say, 6 Volvo, little S40. A little cute car. There we go. 2.4i. These are fun little cars. I drove one time. Not very long, but I did drive one time. Let's just see what she looks like on the inside. I like the dash. It's weird. You can't. Oh, a little person. A very little person had this car. But look how they did this. And you know this if you know Volvos. You can't put any radios. You can't change it out. That's a great little idea. And then you can put your purse or whatever back behind it. Not that I wear a purse. And not that a lady drove this car. If she did, she was a pig. They were very dog friendly. They were very, very, back it up, Mike, back it up. Very pet friendly. There's cat or dog hair everywhere. Headliner is missing. Well, upon further inspection. That's the weirdest key ever. Here we go. Is there power? No, there's no power. Which means we're gonna have to give it a try. All right, Randy's pointed out a nice little 5-cylinder right here with a gigantic battery. You think she's gonna run?
I think she'll run, yeah.
You think she will? Well, let's give her a little go juice and see what happens here. Oh, shoot. What the heck?
Hold on. Let me see if I put the key in it. When you do that, maybe it'll...
Okay.
Maybe it'll... Ow! What the
I told you, a
hell?
little person.
Oh my god.
A little person.
Okay, I got the ignition on.
Okay.
Let me try to start it with it.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Nope.
Hold on. I got an idea.
This is fun. We're setting off all kinds of alarms here.
Some of these you got to put the key in the door to shut the alarm
Yeah.
off. Okay.
No. This give me a headache. Well, we tried, now that everybody's looking at us here in the yard. My car alarm brings all the boys to the yard. And their life is better than yours. Okay, anyway. One blue Volvo. Someone has tried to turn off the alarm already. We couldn't get it to work. And there's some kind of documentation right there in the window. Well, we tried. All right, we're going to supersize things right here. Speed them up. Get them on down the road a little bit faster. 2018 Ford Raptor. Randy loves him some. You love these cars. That's why you bought a TRX.
It's not I got a license plate coming that says RPTRETR.
Oh, you're kidding.
No,
Raptor Eater?
Raptor Eater. No, I love the Raptor. It's cool. Truck.
This is cool. This is gorgeous. Yeah, this is really, really pretty. Let's kind of take a little quick walk around. The tires look good. We're missing... Okay, well, we're missing where the gas goes.
No, they just relocated it for easier access.
Oh, we just moved it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all.
These are some big A tires here. Wow. Okay, and then as we're going around the side... Oh.
Got a little body work.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Your T-Rex already took a bite out of this Raptor. Look at that. Wow. Holy moly.
That's pretty gnarly.
Yeah, that's pretty bad. But look how cool this is. Nice. Oh, this is sad. Is the frame, yeah, is the frame beat up? Is it bented?
I can't tell, is it?
I think it looks kind of straight. Well, except, is this supposed to go this way a little bit or no?
Yeah, I think that's, but you could just hammer, they could just take a hammer and straighten this back out.
Yeah, and then put a bed on it?
Yeah, the frame looks good.
Easy fix. Didn't even damage the tire. Your spare.
Drive it home.
With a little limp. Just, yeah. Man, this is a nice car though, or truck. I should be saying truck, not car. Truck. I like these colors, the newer colors. This is nice.
Got power too.
Oh, that means we got to jump in and
Smells
give it a
good.
start. We got to give it a start before it dies. Okay. This is it. Ford Performance. Look at the step.
Ow.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is nice. So we do have a key. Let's see what happens. Power?
Wow, it sounds like a V6.
Cross traffic system fault. Dimming is okay. 43,000 miles. Normal cruise active. Blind spot system fault. Oh, because the mirrors are in. I like the dash though. This is too fancy for me. My brother needs this. He told me he was looking for a Raptor.
Well, tell them this one will go cheap.
Yeah.
And it looks like it's an easy fix.
Look at this. How do you do this?
Nope, wrong one.
Oh. Look how big this. Look at that. Nice. Hopefully it'll close. Oh. Let's show the second one. Look at. Holy moly. Okay. We got all kinds of things going on up here. This is really nice. And a cold AC.
On a nice cold day.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Look. Can you tow with the Raptor? I've seen them tow.
Yeah.
I've seen them used as tow vehicles.
You'll need the bed put on first.
Yeah. Let's just look at the engine real quick and see what that looks
little
like.
V6 under
Yeah,
the
the little bitty.
It's
Eco
really impressive.
EcoBoost. Ugh. All right, Tim, brother Tim, we'll send you this video. See if you might be interested. Tim lives in Florida, and where's the release? God, that thing weighs a ton. Right here?
I don't see it.
Yeah, Tim lives in Florida and lost his cars thanks to the hurricane, and so did my sister. So everybody's looking for new vehicles. Wow. There she be. See, I told you, EcoBoost.
That's cute.
This is nice. Wow. What are these new? 80?
Shouldn't be more than 30. You're only getting like a third of the power from a TRX. It'll be a third of the price.
Okay. Yeah. I like this though. This is really cool.
I think this could be put back together relatively easily.
Yeah.
If you buy it, we'll work. Oh wait, I can't work.
You can't work. You're a one-arm wonder. Mikey likey.
I like it too. I make fun of it, but I like it.
You know what?
I do. I like it.
I like the tires
I
and the
love the
wheels. The color is new, very modern. Just need a bed and maybe some tail lights. It didn't even screw up your exhaust.
No.
See? Look at that. Okay, well that's just part of the bed. That's not a big deal. And it didn't even really hit the cab. Just a little scratch right
That'll
there.
buff out.
Yeah. But look at the interior. This is nice. Okay. We're going to call my brother and see if this is something he'd be interested in. Definitely. Other than this, it's a great truck. Yeah. Ugh. That is going to do it for another walk around video. Thanks to the good folks at IAA OKC and this gentleman right here, Mr. Randy from AAR, who has helped me build my channel. Always so appreciative of him. He gave me the little jump starter, which was very cool. Go check out his channel. If you're one of my few subscribers who don't know Randy, go check out his channel, Auto Auction Rebuilds. Super popular. That it is exploding. His channel is exploding. Mine is growing like a turtle, but that's okay. It's making me happy and keeping me busy. But I like this truck, I really do. Let me know what you think about this. Should I buy any of the cars? Are they good? Or are they just big old pieces of junk that I need to stay away from? Let me know. I do. I read each and every comment and thought I heard something, but no. 43,000 miles. I'm going to tell my brother. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a great day, and we'll see you again very, very soon in another video. And where we're going to get our hands dirty. Yeah, we're going to get these little digits dirty. See ya. Goodbye. Ooh.